The topic we are going to discuss about is S and P block elements. And the subtopics are electron affinity and metallic and non-metallic character. Electron affinity is defined as the amount of energy released or absorbed when an electron is added to gaseous atom to form a negative ion. For example, fluorine में जब एक electron add होता है, it will form a fluoride ion, and the amount of energy released is minus 328 kilojoule per mole. In the last slide, we have seen कि एक electron जो है वो atom में add हो रहा है, यानी कि bond formation होती है. So it should be exothermic. But why we have positive values of electron affinity? Let's see. Formation of a unit negative ion is usually an exothermic process. लेकिन अगर आप उसी unit negative ion में एक दूसरा electron add करने की कोशिश करेंगे, उस वजह से जो हमारे पास इलेक्ट्रॉन अफिनिटी है वो पॉजिटिव आएगी, क्योंकि जो ऑलरेडी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रेजेंट हैं वो उस आने वाले चार्ज को रिपेल करेंगे और हमें उसे इंट्रोड्यूस करवाने के लिए मजीद एनर्जी चाहिए होगी ताकि हम उसको ऐड कर सकें. दैट्स व्हाई द सेकंड आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज पॉजिटिव, दैट इज प्लस 744 किलोजूल per mole. Let's see the factors that affect electron affinity: size of atom, nuclear charge, vacancies in the valence shell. So relatively smaller atoms with one or two vacancies in the outermost shell show larger values of electron affinity, क्योंकि जो न्यूक्लियस है उसके करीब करीब शेल्स होते हैं, इसकी वजह से उनकी वैल्यूज हैं वो ज्यादा हो जाती हैं. Let's see its trend. It decreases from lighter to heavier atoms while moving from top to bottom. जबकि period में it increases with increasing atomic number while moving from left to right. So in this graph you can see जो इलेक्ट्रॉन अफिनिटी की वैल्यूज हैं वो क्रॉस द पीरियड इंक्रीज होती है, जबकि अगर आप डाउन द ग्रुप मूव करोगे तो वो डिक्रीज हो. Let's see a question. Which ion has the largest size in second period? And following are the options: fluorine minus, fluorine negative, and negative 3, and beryllium plus 2. So the correct option is beryllium plus 2. Next is the metallic and non-metallic character. Chemically, all the elements which has a tendency to form positive ions by moving electrons are called metals. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. They form basic oxides which give bases when dissolved in water. For example, जब भी आप sodium oxide को water में dissolve करोगे, it will give sodium hydroxide. Let's see its trend. If we move within a group, it increases while in a period decreases from left to right. ग्रुप में क्यों इंक्रीज होगा? क्योंकि साइज इंक्रीज करता है एज मूव डाउन द ग्रुप, जबकि पीरियड में साइज डिक्रीज होता है, जिसकी वजह से जो मेटालिक कैरेक्टर है वो भी डिक्रीज होता है. Next we have the non-metallic character. Chemically, the elements which gain electrons and form negative ions like nitrogen, chlorine are non-metals. All gases are non-metals. They are poor conductor of heat and electricity, and they form acidic oxides which yield acids on dissolving in water. Metals जो थी वो basic oxides बनाती हैं, जबकि non-metals yields acidic oxides. For example, when we dissolve SO3 in water, it yields H2SO4. That is an acid. If we talk about its trend in periodic table, it decreases while moving from top to bottom, while within a period it increases as we move from left to right. So in this diagram you can see metallic character metals की तरफ जब हम move करते हैं from right to left in the period ये increase होता है, जबकि non metallic characters will move from left to right to ये increase. Here we have a question. Non-metallic character is dominated in, and the options are non-metals, gases, metalloids, or metals. And the correct option is gases. Okay, gases में you usually have oxygen, and they all are non-metallic. Incorrect. So this was all about metallic character and electron affinity. I hope you have understood it well, and thank you so much.